Miss Crawley, if you would. Oh, thanks. Well, gotta go to work. I'll see you around, Eddie.
Come on, I ain't got all day. Forget it. Too slow, dude.
One moment, please, sir. Well, you know the good thing about hitting rock bottom? There's only one way left to go, and that's up. Come on. You wash, I'll dry.
Thank you, Miss Crawley.
Buster, where you going?
So I tried to touch. I told the truth. I didn't come to fool you. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of Song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Do you think you could sing like that in front of a real audience?
I don't know, but I want to try.
Good. Because I want to see it.